What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on the video. Today it finally hit about 55 degrees out. Took like 8 hours, but it went up like 20 degrees. So today we get to take the Harley out. I know the last video was on the Royal Enfield, and that's tucked away in there. I gotta get the Harley out real quick. There is the lineup. Wow, they look good today. So, got all three bikes out. Like I said, gonna take the Harley out today. My brother took the R6 out the other day, and the Royal, not quite ready. So this is just a quick walk around of the bike. It is the denim crushed ice paint job. I've actually only seen a couple of these outside of the dealership. It's got the Vance and Hines short shots that I installed. I also had to do the passenger setup, passenger pillion, backrest, seat pad, the pegs. Other than that, I haven't really gotten too far on it. Did the upgraded LED headlamp and also the halo turn signals that are smoked out, and those are sweet. I actually love this bike. It's super comfortable and I finally get to ride it today, so today's great actually. So without further ado, let's go for a cruise. The Ninja's already started. It needed to warm up a little bit longer than the Harley because it's been sitting so long. So here we go. Alright, so we are back from the ride. That was a little shorter than anticipated. I actually lost a lot of the footage that I was going to use for the video. I had a bunch of footage recorded with my GoPro, and for some reason it kept switching to time-lapse mode, and I couldn't fix it while I was riding. So that was just a quick little snippet of our ride there. I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Thanks for watching the startups. These bikes are awesome. They're awesome machines. They deserve to be ridden, and just really, really appreciate it. Once again, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Feel free to click on the other videos, watch a couple of those. I'll be making a bunch more, and I appreciate it.